All right, everybody. We have our first southbound of the three, and this is the southbound X370, which is the extra manifest of M370. This train coming from Chicago, going to Rocky Mount, North Carolina. CSX rush hour, y'all. Also, we have another northbound coming, which means we are going to have a meet, folks. All right, there you have X370, and now coming in on track 2, we do have a meet, folks. Amtrak 158, Northeast Regional number 158 to New York from Norfolk. We got a Charger. All right, guys, there you have it. A meet in Ashland. All right, everybody. After just a few minutes after M415 came by, right now coming through on track 2, we have the Palmetto number 90 from Savannah, Georgia, going to New York via New Carrollton, MARC/Amtrak station. Oh, we got two chargers. Yeah. 317 and 356 in front. All right, there you have it, folks. All right, folks. Again, after a few minutes after Amtrak 90 went by, here he is now. Amtrak Northeast Regional number 195 is now coming in. Coming from Boston South Station to Richmond Staples Mill. To Richmond Amtrak Station via Metro Park and Express to Philadelphia 30th Street Station. All right, guys, there you have it. All right, guys, this time I'm up here on the roof of the Henry Clay Inn, and we do have the Mad Hatter. There it is. Amtrak 40. There it is.